Dr. Maria Evelyn P. Tamayo. Ang ating pong District Supervisor, Sir Renato T. Cabarrios. Ang ating pong Board Member, Mr. Danilo Dan Asyaten. Ang ating pong barangay officials, headed by Cap Taguines Arturo. And nandito po ang ating Committee on Education, Kagawad Michael Espinosa. Isa pong kagawad na nandito, Kagawad Diosdado Cabenta. Yung pong ating President ng Rotary Club Melting Pot, Tarlac, Engineer Ferdinand C. Luclas. Ang ating Assistant Governor of Rotary Club, Madam Nympha Rodriguez. Sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Rotary Club na nandito po ngayon, yung ating partner sa ating education, si Sir Hilmore Bacnis, ang ating AO. Nandito po yung ating kasama sa TFBC, yung ating magbe-bless po mamaya, and team, Pastor J. And of course, sa lahat ng mga napaka-supportive na SPTA officers po na nandito. Yung ating pong MC na maganda, si Madam Dayan Agustin Pakboy. Sa lahat po ng mga bisita po na nandito po ngayong umaga, isang mapagpalang umaga po sa ating lahat. Morning po. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalo sa araw na ito upang markahan o saksihan ang isang mahalagang yugto sa pag-unlad ng aming paaralan. Ang turnover ng ating bagong detached 3-seater toilet at hand washing facilities. Ang dagdag na ito ay higit pa sa isang bagong infrastruktura. Ito ay sumasa ilalim sa ating pangako na mapabuti ang sanitasyon, kalusugan at kaginhawaan para sa lahat ng ating paaralan. Ang pagtatapos ng proyektong ito ay patunay ng sama-samang pagsisikap at dedikasyon ng Rotary Club of Melting Pot, Tarlac. Ang dating pangarap lang na magkaroon ng common CR sa likod, ngayon ay naging realidad na po. Sa inyong lahat po, maligayang pagdating sa Samberg Elementary School. Walang katapusang pasasalamat po on behalf of Samberg Elementary School, Engineer, at sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Rotary Club of Melting Pot, Tarlac. Welcome po to our turnover ceremony and God bless po sa ating lahat.
Thank you, Ma'am Sol, for that very warm welcome. Of course, we have here us today, our Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Maria Evelyn P. Tamayo. Acknowledge po din natin si Board Member Honorable Dan, si Dan Asyaten. Ayan. Nandito rin po ang generous team of Rotary Club of Melting Pot, Tarlac na pinangungunahan ni Engineer Ferdinand Siniclan with Ma'am Nympha Rodriguez. Ayan po. Narito rin po ang mga masisipag na barangay officials ng Sapang Maragul, Kagawad Diosdado Cabenta, and Kagawad Michael Espinosa. Good morning po. Ang atin pong mga SPTA officers na napakasipag at very active. Hello po sa inyong lahat. At kay Pastor J po and his family. Hello po. Ayan. And now po, at the moment, we have all waiting for the official turnover of the unit detached 3-seater toilet and a hand washing area. May I call on Engineer Ferdinand Simiklat po to give a message on behalf of the donors of this project, the Rotary Club of Melting Pot Tarlac, and to hand over the symbolic key to Dr. Solita Tibay Madayag later on. Palakpakan po natin.
Thank you, Madam. Good morning to each and everyone. Second District of Tarlac, Board Member, also a Rotarian. Sir Dan Canlas, Assistant Sir, good morning. Our district Assistant Governor, Ma'am Nimpa, Ma'am, good morning. Rodriguez, good morning. Guests from Division of East, Samberga Elementary School, administration, administrators and faculties, fellow Rotarians, good morning.
Good morning.
I, Ferdinand Diglat, President of Rotary Club of Melting Pot Tarlac. Firstly, would like to thank our sponsors and all members of Rotary Club of Melting Pot for contributing to our project. This won't be possible without your generosity. I would like to thank the administration of Samberga Elementary School, headed by Ma'am Principal, for giving us the chance to fulfill our mission to extend help to the community and live the motto of Rotary, service above self. Today, students and school staff, we are handing the key and responsibility to sustain the cleanliness of the donated facilities, as it will help us to prevent diseases and have a better sanitation here in Samberga Elementary School. The club will continue to support the school and help in maintaining the facilities as well. Again, thank you and have a good day.
Thank you po, Engineer. At this time po, I would like to call Mang Sol to receive the key from Engineer.
Okay, so thank you so much, Engineer. I am delighted to accept the key to Engineer Ferdinand Simiklat, the President of Rotary Club of Melting Pot Tarlac, on behalf of Samberga Elementary School, today's turnover ceremony. This momentous occasion marks not just the formal transfer of the key, but also the beginning of a new chapter made possible through your generous support. The key represents more than just access. It symbolizes the trust and partnership between us. We assure you po that Samberga Elementary School will uphold the values and objectives you envision for this facility and utilize this gift to its fullest potential. Your commitment and philanthropy have played a crucial role in the successful completion of this facility, and we are deeply grateful for your vision and dedication to support our project in school, especially our health facilities and gender development program. Thank you once again for your extraordinary generosity and for making a tangible difference in helping our learners as the ultimate beneficiaries of this facility. And we look forward to sharing the success stories and milestones achieved with your support. God bless you all po. At ang Diyos na po ang bahalang magbalik sa inyo ng liglig at umaapaw na pagpapala. At higit po sa lahat, dalangin po ng buong Samberga Elementary School na kayo po ay bigyan ng malusog na pangangatawan para mas marami pa po kayong matutulungan na mag-aaral. Again po, saludo po kami sa bukas palad ninyong pagtulong sa aming mga mag-aaral ng Samberga Elementary School. Thank you po and God bless everyone.
May I request po si engineer at para sa photo. Natin,
Picture mo na kuya. Kuya, picture mo. Sa kabila si Ma'am Limpaya. Okay na.
Yan. Okay, congratulations po. At makakaasa naman po kayo na Samberga Elementary School will keep this facility clean and well-maintained po. Thank you so much po. At this juncture po, we will now proceed to the signing of deed of donations. Ayan po, may I request pa rin po si Engineer Ferdinand as the donor on behalf of Rotary Club of Melting Pot Tarlac and Dr. Sulita T. Malayag, donee or recipient from Samberga Elementary School. Please po,